sabo. And this is the good part about, like, you know, you're here in this wonderful nature here in the state of Michigan, just to get away with the, you know, the busy atmosphere of, like, you know, in the downtowns and the small town stuff like that. Oh, look. What should I call it? A black squirrel. I've seen black squirrels running around in my area where I live at. Like that. Staring at me like thinks that, what is this guy doing with a phone? Are you recording me? See that, everyone? That's why you need to take time for yourself. Just grab the opportunity about, like, you know, just walk around with the nature. Just get out of the busy atmosphere and take time with this one. I think this is what I love about in the state of Michigan. The color changes of leaves. Alright, guys, see ya.